Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to share with you the trending effect called the sunburn effect on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So summer is on and this is the best time to use this effect. This effect basically gives you a sunburn with a mask impression on your face. You've got other shapes to choose from as well. So let me show you how to use it. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. On the search bar, search for sunburn. It should appear under Effects and it should look like this. Tap on it. Scroll through some of the video examples on how other users have used this effect. When you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Now this will take you into TikTok's video recording screen. To activate the effect, you need to tap on the screen once. Once you tap, you should see a sunburn mask appear on your face. It's quite impressive on how the sunburn mark follows your face quite accurately. You can select other sunburn shapes as well by tapping on it again. You get a flower sunburn for your eyes, a line under your eyes, and a star eyeglasses sunburn. Now you can be as creative as you like and record your TikTok videos. And there you go, that is a trending effect called sunburn effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.